cooking Messi for 2 minutes.
Please don't do this.
Messi's about to get cooked for 2 minutes.
Come on, bro.
Oh, nothing's happening. Be quiet. Oh.
I didn't get scared.
Messi's getting cooked. Messi's getting cooked.
Dude,
what?
I just saw some.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
What did you say?
I just saw some, bro.
Stop playing.
Bro, here, take the phone. I don't want to be here for it. Take the phone.
What did you see? Oh.
Chuck, take the phone.
What?
Take the goddamn phone.
For what? Stop being scared. It's messy.
It's gonna explode.
No, it's...
Yes, it is. I promise you.
Yes?
Yes. Take it out. Take it out. Oh, yeah. You over.
No.
If you get in trouble, it's your fault.
Bro,
then.
it's not gonna explode.
If you, I don't care.
It's not gonna explode.
I don't care. If you get in trouble, it's not my fault.
It's not gonna explode. Shut up.
At least take the phone.
For what?
Take the phone.
No, bro. I need... Bro, that... No. No, you're a pussy. You're so lame. Nothing's happening to the Messi card. Come here. Nothing's... Bro, come here. Oh, my God. No, it won't, bro. All right, bro, come here. Okay. I took it out. Come here, bro. Come here. I need you to record it. I took it out. All right, bet. Watch this.
Come chill out.
What? Wait, what if I put your phone in the microwave?
Don't do that, bro. Chill out. Come on, man. Hey! Oh, stop! Stop! What is wrong with you, bro? I'm gonna leak your number, bro.
You gonna leak my number?
Yeah.
All right, right now, Rico, here.
Do it. Go ahead. I don't care.
You don't care?
I don't care anymore. It's you.
What do you mean?
If you mess up, hey, I'm just saying it's a bad idea right now. It's up to you.
What do you mean? Relax, bro. Like, why are you such a loser?
That's not being a loser. It's being safe, first of all. So don't do that shit.
You're a straight loser.
How is that being a loser?
Every day you
I'm gonna link something.
Huh?
Keep talking shit. You don't see what happened.
What's gonna happen? Because I will leak. Yeah, because I will post that videos of what I got. Yeah, exactly. I'll post all them videos.
You messed up for that shit. What? Never mind.
What? What?
Shit.
What you mean?
Secret, bro.
Huh?
We can keep that a secret.
Yeah, exactly. I know we do keep it a secret. Bro, why is Messi not boiling, bro? Like, Messi, you don't feel that pain? Does Messi not feel this pain?
Messi got that plot armor.
Huh?
He got that plot armor.
Bro, Messi has that anime plot armor, bro. Oh shit. Messi's dead. He's not dead yet, though.
He is dead. I don't see no bubbles coming out.
Why is he how is he still alive? This is like hot water, bro. How is he still alive?
Messi waterproof.
Wait, no, wait. You gotta wait for the ball. Come here. Talk to us. Say hi to Ben.
Hi. I'm not talking to him.
Talk to us. Hey, Ben. What's good? Ben.
Really?
You're scaring me. Stop following me. Stop following me.
Man, leave him alone, bro.
Stop following me. Stop following me. Stop following me. You're scaring me. You scary me.
Give me back.
You scary me.
Give me back. Yo, Ben. Never mind. I'm just playing. Sorry, little brother. I'm sorry. Talk to Ben.
Hey, why is he coughing, man?
Why are you copying him? Come here. Let's check Messi out. How is Messi still alive? What the fuck's happening to him?
I'll get some preview.
What's going on? Come here. What's Ben doing to you? Come here.
He's coughing like Emma said.
Ben keep copying you?
Yes.
Ben, stop copying my brother. He's not copying you.
When I press this on,
Press it.
of this time, when his voice come off, when I say something, he's copying me.
He keep copying you?
Yeah, watch. Hey.
Why is he copying you? Ben, stop copying me. Ben, stop copying me. Ben, stop copying me.
Ew.
Did he just fart?
I think so.
Oh my God! Look!
What's happening? What's
Look!
happening?
Look! He's floating. He's
Oh my God, Messi's floating. He's trying to get back alive. Oh my God, Messi's trying to float.
Oh my God!
Messi's trying to float. Messi's trying to float. He's trying to get out. Messi's trying to get out. Messi's trying to get out. Messi's trying to get out.
I think Ben is copying you again.
Messi's trying to get out. Look. He's floating.
Oh my
He's
God.
floating.
It's a floater.
Bro, that was not funny at all, bro. He's like floating, Chad.
Who is that? How is he copying?
Oh, he is floating.
Here.
So you copy
Messi's floating now. Messi's floating. He's floating. Oh my God, Messi. Messi.
Fly, baby, fly.
Oh, wait, don't Mike. These have like lights.
Oh, there you go.
Oh shit. Oh yo. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Ben's about no Messi. Messi.
What are you? What
Messi.
Are you doing?
Huh?
This keep copying me every time I say.
Make him copy him?
Yeah.
You want me to beat Ben up?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on, wait, give me a second. Add milk?
Don't add
They
milk.
said add milk.
Oh my fucking God.
Bro, you don't even know what happens if you add milk.
Still, bro, you don't stop listening to these people.
You don't even know what happens, bro.
Oh, come on, add milk.
Like, bro, you don't know what happens if
Add milk. Stop
Okay.
arguing.
Like, bro, you don't know what happens if you add milk. Messi needs milk. Messi's about to die, so he needs milk.
Don't add that much milk.
I'm only gonna add a little bit. Shut up.
He
Now,
cream. I'm joking.
Messi just nutted? Yo! The fuck? He just like nutted. Like, why does he look like that? Bro, stop drinking and get the angles right. Messi just creamed like on a whole.
You got no tongs? Whoa. Messi!
How is it still not hot? What is this made out of? Like, this does not. Bro, this isn't indestructible, bro. Like, look, it's not even hot.
That's not even. It's not really hot.
No, it's not hot at all.
Dang! Something sharp hit me. That's why.
Nah. Yo. Come on, why are you scared of the stream? Come on. Why are you scared of the stream? You scared of Stream? Say hi, Stream.
Hi.
Little Bill, bro. Stop calling my little brother Little Bill. You know who this is?
I never thought of him.
You know who this is? Say Messi.
Messi.
Say no Messi.
No Messi.
Say Messi is the best football player in the world.
Messi is the best.
I just ended love.
What's that again?
Say Messi is the best football player in the world.
Messi is the best football.
No, he's not! Why are you breathing so hard, bro?
This juice is cranberry. She's so good.
Here, talk to Ben.
Hey, babe.
Oh, you got my phone?
Why is big, bro? Stop farting, bro. Talk to Ben.
Why is he?
Why you keep copying you?
I don't know.
Beat him up. Beat him up.
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's farting.
Say, Ben, stop copying me.
Ben, stop copying me. He's not copying me. Why I said that. I just got to read. Ben, stop copying me.
Stop coughing me.
What is wrong with this door? Why is he teeth falling?
Why is your teeth falling?
What is wrong with this?
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
Oh, what do you mean? Bro?
He's tea coffee, you, Junior.
Huh?
He's tea coffee, you.
Hey, monkey, stop copying my little brother. Okay? Wait, what kind of YouTubers do Drayden watch?
He watched
Yo.
Lanky Box.
Yo, Drayden, who your favorite YouTuber?
Lanky Box.
I got favorite YouTubers.
Who your favorite YouTuber?
I
Boy, ain't no way